In this video, I'm going to go through the steps that I took to create this little baby headband. So please stay tuned for the step-by-step tutorial. Be right back.
Let me show you something.
Alrighty, so in order to do this little headband for a baby for Nicole, I'm going to give it to her with the blanket. Her shower is coming up. I'm going to use, I have another ball of the Bernat baby blanket, and I will be using the 10 millimeter hook. So to start this project, we are going to make a chain of 30. If I can find the start of this yarn. So we make a slip knot, of course, and we will chain a chain of 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'll meet you back when we get to 30 chains. Okay, so I've made the 30 chains, and what I'm going to do is make a slip stitch, and to join, we'll be working in and around like so, and then make a chain 1, and then we are going to make single crochets all the way around. So to do a single crochet, you insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through both loops, and again insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops. So we're just going to do that all the way around, and I'll meet you back at the end of the first round. Alright, so I'm just about finished my first round. So I'm going to make one more single crochet in the last stitch here, like so. And then I'm going to slip stitch on top of the first stitch of the previous round. So we've done our first round, and then we're going to chain 1 again, and we're going to do this again. So let's single crochet in that stitch, first stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch, and keep going around. I'll meet you back at the end of the round. Okay, I finished the second round, and now I'm going to make a slip stitch on the top of the first stitch we made when we started the round. And I'm literally making this up as I'm taping this, as I'm videoing it. I think I'm going to go for one more round. So to do that, again, you just make a chain 1, then go into that same stitch and make a single crochet, go into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Yeah, I think I'll just make one more round, and then I'll meet you back and I'll show you how I want to finish it. Okay, so I finished the third round, and I fastened off, and I think what I'm going to do is just with this little bit of yarn, the purple, I'll just make a little border just for as an accent color. So it's the same as the blanket with that little I had made the picot stitch, but I don't think it'll look good on a headband. It's too small. I don't think it's going to look good. I think just a little border. It'll look really pretty. So I've put the yarn in the back, and I think what I'm going to do is just do some slip stitches all the way around, just so that it's just something slight. I don't want to make it too high. Just like that. So you just go into the stitch and pull through the loop and make a slip stitch. So it's just a little border. It looks really nice. And I think that's, yeah, that'll look really nice. So just keep doing that until you get back to the beginning here, and then we'll fasten off and I'll show you what I think we should do next. Kind of doing this as we go. I think it's going to be nice. Yeah, I'll meet you back at the end of this. Okay, I finished the trim of slip stitch all the way around. It looks really nice. This is the back. Wherever you see all the yarn ends, that's the back. So this is the front. It is so cute. So what I want to do now is I want to cinch it like that. So it looks like a little bow. So I think I have just the right amount of yarn. I don't know if I should use the purple or the white. Let me see. Let's try it with the purple. Okay, so the trim is done. And now what I want to do is cinch it here so it looks like a bow with some spare yarn that I have here. This one here. And I just have enough, I think. Wow, that's perfect. So I think, I've never done this before, so I'm going to flip it inside out. This is the back. This will be the front. So you want the bow look to be in the front. So try and line it up with the back. This is the back, this is the front. Try and make it even. Okay, let's see. And then I will put this yarn right here. I'm going to start, and I'm just going to wind it around. I think that's how I would do it. So wind it. Like that. And just wind it around. Like that. Just pulling it, cinching it. Try and do it evenly. And just keep doing this. Cinching it, pulling it, tightening it. So I'm going to continue doing this. Sorry, I think it was off camera there. And I will meet you back. Let's see. I'll meet you back. Voila! It is complete. And I think it is so cute. And it's going to look so cute on a little newborn head. I love it. It's going to look cute with that blanket. Oh my gosh. I hope she loves it. Thanks for watching my Craving Crochet Crafters. I really appreciate you. This is a really easy project. If it's first time trying crochet, it might not be too much of a challenge. I encourage you to try it and give it away to some cute little baby girl. It's really cute. I love it. And it's so soft. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if it's your first time here. I welcome you. Share it if you think somebody would like it. leave me a comment if you have any suggestions or any comments that you'd like to share. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.